A clever trick for cleaning a dirty induction hob. This method takes just a few minutes and leaves your hob looking like new, no scrubbing required. Stains, streaks, and even burnt-on spots will disappear like magic. You only need 2 products. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda helps remove tough stains as a natural abrasive. Next, grab half a lemon. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which dissolves calcium deposits and white marks while leaving a refreshing citrus scent. Rub the hob surface with the lemon pulp, focusing on white streaks and tough stains in circular motions. The citric acid reacts with the baking soda, creating a gentle foam that helps lift dirt. Finally, wipe the hob clean with a damp cloth. Use this simple method to keep your induction hob looking brand new without spending on expensive cleaning products.